Good morning, all of you, students. Now, welcome to 7th class General Science. Now, in this class, we discuss about previous assessment paper. Okay. Now, I explained the questions and answers in the previous assessment paper. So, all of you students to check out our answers. Okay. So, first one is okay, students. First one is which food components which food component which food component or components are help to us prevent constipation, okay. Which food components are help to us prevent constipation? Which food components are help to us to prevent constipation? Okay, write the answers. Answer is that Rafis or other name is dietary fibers Okay, students, which food components are to help to us to prevent constipation? Refuges or other name is dietary fibers. Refuges or dietary fibers are help to us prevent constipation. Okay, next one. Second one is which food component is help to us the movement of food into digestive tract. Okay, what is that second one? Which food component is help to us the movement of food into digestive tract? Which food component is help to us the movement of food into digestive tract? Okay, what is the answer? Answer is water. Water is one of the food component. It is helped us the free movement of food into digestive tract. Okay, next one. Third one is a diet containing more carbohydrates. Third one is a diet containing more carbohydrates, proteins proteins and little oil, fat. This diet is called dash. Come on. For third one is a diet containing more carbohydrates, proteins, and little oil, fat. If a diet containing more carbohydrates, proteins, and little oil, fat, this diet is called. What is called this diet? This diet is called balanced diet. This diet is called balanced diet. This diet is called balanced diet. Okay. Next, fourth one. Which food items should be taken adequately? Which food items are should be take adequately? Okay, which food items? The food items which are should be take adequately. Okay, write the answers. Which food items are take adequately? Cereals, pulses, and milk. Cereals, pulses, and milk. These food items should be take adequately. Next, fifth one is which food items should be take plenty. Which food items should be take plenty? Plenty means much more. Answer is leafy vegetables and fruits and so on, etc. Leafy vegetables, leafy vegetables, fruits and so on, etc. There must be take plenty. Okay, daily wheat, fruits and vegetables. Next one, sixth one is which substances are so to taste? Which substances are so to taste? Which substances are so to taste? All citrus fruits. Answer is all citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemon, orange, amla, and so on, etc. Okay, students, which substances are so to taste? Which substances are so to taste? Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemon, orange, amla, and so on, etc. They are so to taste. Okay, next one, seventh one. Seventh one is which substances are bitter to taste. Bitter to taste. Which substances are bitter to taste? Okay, right the answer. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Neem stick or neem, and so on, etc. Okay, friends, which substances are bitter to taste? Okay, what are bitter gourd, neem, and so on, etc. They are bitter to taste. Next one, eighth one. Which substances are changes colors when other substances are add to them. Okay, which substances are changes their colors when other substances are added to them. Like change the colors when two other substances are added to them. They are called indicators. They are called indicators. Next one, ninth one is carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, and minerals. Minerals are called dash. Okay, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, and minerals are called food components. Next one, tenth one. Which chemical substance is required? Which chemical substance is required for test for starch? Okay, what the name of chemical substance is required for test for starch? Okay, starch tester. Okay, what is the chemical substance is required? Dilute iodine solution. Dilute iodine solution is required. Okay, friends, once again, which food components are help to us prevent constipation? Rephrases or dietary fibers. Second one, which food components is help to us to the movement of food into digestive tract? Water. Third one, a diet containing more carbohydrates, proteins, and little oil, fat. This diet is called balanced diet. Fourth one, which food items should we take adequately? Cereals, pulses, and milk. Next one, which food items should we take plenty? Vegetables, leafy vegetables, and fruits. Next, which substances are so to taste? All citrus fruit like lemon, orange, amla, tamarind, and so on, etc. Which substances are better to taste? bittergourd, neem, and so on, etc. Next, these substances are change colors when other substances are added to them. They are called indicators. Ninth one, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are called food components. 10th one, what are the chemical substances are required for test for starch? Dilute iodine solution.